Hello everyone, welcomes my channel Ajay Digital World. Here I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest the best research and monitoring tool. You can use this tool for monitoring content on social media. If you want to know more about this website, hold the video till the end. That very great for you. Grab the opportunities, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites for you to check out the I button. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is buzzsumo? Buzzsumo is a stage that permits you to discover connecting with bits of content and find new potential effort openings. The site permits you to look for content that has gotten the most offers, connections and remarks. How accomplishes buzzsumo work? buzzsumo is an examination and observing device. The usefulness is separated as follows: find content that is generally shared via web-based media channels. You can enter your own area or another space, and see what has been shared socially. Discover influencers identified with specific points. How would you use buzzsumo to discover influencers? Our buzzsumo device, in the same way as other different instruments, discovers you the most applicable influences for any point. You just enter a point and the instrument will create a rundown dependent on what the influencer expounds on, the rundowns they are on, their profile, what they share, the individuals they interface with and different components. buzzsumo features. 1. Trending. Takes care of for any point or area. Channel by hour to distinguish tales going to circulate around the web. 2. Topic explorer. Produce interminable content thoughts in less time. Start with a catchphrase and we'll give the thoughts. 3. Question analyzer. Locate the most famous inquiries posed on discussions, web-based business locales, Quora, and the sky is the limit from there. 4. Content analyzer. Peruse the world's biggest file of social commitment information to locate the best substance. 5. Content analysis reports. Methodology begins with measurements. Examine content sort, length, response and well-known spaces. 6. Domain reports. Contrast and investigate spaces with benchmark social content execution. 7. YouTube analyzer. Comprehend what works for video promoting before you spend a dime on creation. 8. Backlinks. Investigate the sites connecting to key spaces and contender locales. 9. Alerts. Screen your image, rivals, backlinks and catchphrases to keep steady over any point. 10. YouTube influencers. Discover YouTubers to work together with, at that point see where your clasps get shared over the web. 11. Twitter influencers. Discover influencers who shared content about a theme or from a particular area. 12. Top authors. Locate the most dynamic and persuasive creators around your subject. I hope you all are enjoying the video, and if you want to get a more interesting video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to ring the bell icon and share the video.